What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to give you something that can very well help you guys out with your marketing. And you know, for starters, I'm gonna just let you know this. Have you ever had an opportunity you have so many opportunities, okay, and everything looks so sloppy everywhere? You know, you got all these links everywhere, and you know it's hard to sometimes keep up with, you know, knowing how to promote each one all together with different ones and stuff like that. Well, this is what this particular tool can help you with. It's called Top Dog's Rotator, and basically it's a link rotator. Now you ask yourself, what is a link rotator? A link rotator is a particular link that you can have multiple opportunities connected to that one link. That way it could be rotated. So each link could be rotated as people click. When they click on your link, they can see different each websites or different opportunities, and you know, all in the sequence. So randomly they'll show a different one, you know, they'll show a different page, you know what I'm saying? So you can see right here, you know, they have they have a whole lot of different features in this that you can use. The number one that you want to go to is the add rotator sites. This is where you could assign your rotator sites, and you can assign credits. So I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna show you the opportunities that I have. So you can see right here each opportunity. Now this is your affiliate link right here that you can use to have your sites in a rotator, and this is the amount of credits that you can use to get, you know, you could assign to get more eyeballs on, you know, you can assign the credits to get eyeballs on each opportunity that you have. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna do a test link so I can show you what I mean. So if I click over here to add sites to the rotator here, look, you know, let's say, you know, 𝗖cie.com or whatever, you know, then I got a chance to add, you know, how many hits that I want. You know, that's optional. You see right here, abc.com. And this is just an example. But, you know, you can also edit the description, you know, talk about, you know, what this URL about. You can add your credits here. Depending on how many credits that you got up top, you can assign them here to each opportunity. So, and you can also remove them. And once you remove those credits, they can also go back into, it'll add back to what you had before. They also show you, you know, how many people clicked on it. They have view detailed stats right here. As you can see, I still got 1,742 remaining, 136 that's shown. If I click over here to view detailed stats, you can see where all the traffic is coming from. You see right here. And with the Top Dog's Rotator, your traffic don't just come to this particular website. It comes to different parts of the web. So you got other traffic exchanges that people come through. You can see it right here. Detected from traffic source. Switch to previous. Okay. One gold mine surfer sent from whatever I have promoted. You see what I'm saying? Gold mine. People sending their clicks. Profit line. All these are different traffic exchanges that I've been using. So, and you can set up, I believe, unlimited amount. And just state, with this one link, it could rotate all these different platforms all in one. So it won't take up a lot of slots if you're using this for traffic exchanges. This is what it's basically very much designed for, traffic exchanges. And also it could be designed for safe lists as well. And you know, you could get started for free. This is a free site. You ain't got to worry about paying no monthly fees or anything of that nature. This is a free site. Now, they do have upgrades that you can use with this. Now, if you want to be able to use banner ads, you can add banners for a price. You could also have, you could pay for upgrades if you want to pay a one-time fee, because think about this. I'm going to show you. This is where it gets very, very interesting. You could have these lifetime packages right here that you could get every month. And if you just pay this one time, every month you could get 200,000 hits. And this is just for the first pack. 200,000 hits. Additional 2,000 monthly hits added for life. Now that is very powerful. You get all this traffic for life once you pay it on one time. You get to show your micro ads, the pages. You can add unlimited sites. You add 20 micro ads. And look, you can earn commissions with this platform. So 30% commissions, 10% commissions on your second level commissions, 3% of hits package that signers buy repeatedly. So every time someone purchases that's under you on your downline, you get compensated. You see how powerful that is? See, all this is by choice. Just think, a lot of hits to every opportunity in that rotator. So that's why I use this platform for, you know. And when I discovered, I said, wow, you know, it's so many, it's just so many opportunities what I could do to present all of my affiliate marketing, my biz ops. And like I said, this is jittery. I use this for the different traffic exchanges that I'm a part of. If you like to get started with Top Dogs Rotator and you need to get all of your links all in one, the link in the description will be below. This is something I use. I also will show you some tips and strategies. If you join up with me, I'll show you some tips and strategies on what I use or how I do it to promote this, to get commissions off of this, and to be able to promote in other traffic exchanges. You know, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Like I said before, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you hit this like and subscribe button for more upcoming videos, tips and tricks, strategies. If you would like to connect me on Facebook, that link will also be in the link in the description below. All right. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you that, just to show you a tool what you can use to get you started so you can be able to promote all of your businesses all in one. All right. That's it. This is 𝗖cie with Astro. See you guys in the next video.